What's up, guys? Mike from Soundoftristate here in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Today we have this really clean 2004 GMC 5500 truck. Tons and tons of vehicles are getting broken into right now, especially in this area. I personally have friends whose vans have been getting tools stolen out of. So I think word's getting around. Guys are looking to protect their investments. Most of these utility trucks, this is how our customers make their livelihood. So you got to protect what you use to make money to be able to find. So what we're going to be doing for this vehicle, we're going to be installing an alarm remote start along with a dash camera. So the dash camera is the drone XCLTE, and then the alarm remote start is the Compustar 8920 AM. So the beauty with these two products, they work together. So what will happen is the camera will actually start recording when it senses movement or any kind of impact, and then actually has a glass break sensor built in as well. The alarm will notify you two different ways. It has the two-way screen, which you can see on the remote here. So if you're within range, the alarm will go off. The remote will actually start beeping to let you know. If you're not within range, the camera actually has drone capability, and what that is, it'll notify you on your phone via an app. You'll get a notification, whatever's going on, whether the door opens, if it's impact, glass break. So this is the absolute best of the best. The vehicle is also going to have starter kill. All the doors will be protected. So no matter where this vehicle is, as long as you have your phone on you, you're going to get an alert and you're going to know it's go time to check out your vehicle. So again, guys, please protect what you have. It is crazy how many vehicles are getting broken into right now. Stay tuned. We're going to do this job now. We'll have it done by the end of the day. I'll take an after. Everything works through the remote we have. All right, guys, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Mike from Soundoftristate here in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Today we have this 2004 GMC 5500 that we just protected with an alarm and remote start system from Compustar. We also installed a dash camera. It's a drone mobile piece. It's the XCLTE. You can see it mounted there in the windshield. So I'll go over everything that we did on this vehicle, and hopefully something you guys think you would need, please give us a call. So these work trucks, vans, they are getting broken into like crazy. I personally have a few friends that had vehicles broken into in the past few weeks. Usually as money gets tighter for people, thieves start hitting more than usual. So if you have a work truck, any kind of vehicle you want your tools protected, this is really important. So for the alarm that we installed is a Compustar system. It actually has two remotes. It comes with this two-way remote, and then it actually comes with a one-way remote as well, which you can see here. So I'll go over the functions of how this thing works. So if you want to arm the vehicle, you can press the silver button one time. The doors will lock, and the siren will chirp once to let you know that the system's armed. And then if you want to disarm the system, you press the button two times. It'll show you on the remote that the alarm is disarmed. And then if you want to start the vehicle, press and hold the center button for 3 or 4 seconds. The vehicle will fire up a few seconds later. You can warm it up, cool it off, whatever you need. The beauty with this system is we installed the dash camera on the windshield, which actually works with the alarm. So if somebody were to break into the vehicle, the camera's going to start recording. It has GPS tracking, and then it also has alert notifications, which will be sent directly to an app. So no matter where your vehicle's parked, you're going to actually know what's going on with it. You also can track the vehicle when your guys are driving. You can check your speed. A lot of info will be directly right to your phone. And then, of course, if this thing's parked at night and the alarm goes off, it's going to send you notifications to the app as well. So again, guys, protect your investment, protect your livelihood. If you guys need something like this, please give us a call, 610-328-0301. Thank you, guys.